There is now a new way to go viral on YouTube, and it has nothing to do with ABD, it has nothing to do with your click-through rate. In fact, it doesn't have anything to do with YouTube itself, and surprisingly, nobody's really talking about it. Have you ever wondered where AI gets its answers from? Like when you ask ChatGPT a question, where does it get its answers from? Well, a new study dropped, and it showed that across ChatGPT, Google's AI Overview, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, the #1 source of all of these AIs is now YouTube, which is crazy. You know, AI cited YouTube 200 times more than any other video platform. But the most insane part is that YouTube, in some topics, even beat Wikipedia. Now for you, as a creator, why does this matter? Well, that's because 40% of the YouTube videos that AI would cite had under 1,000 views, meaning that AI could cite and recommend your videos to billions of people, and it doesn't care how many subscribers you have, how many views you have, or how many videos posted you have. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to have AI recommend your YouTube videos. But first, if you don't know who I am, my name is Romero. I've been running Faceless YouTube channel since 2018, and since then, I've gotten hundreds of millions of views, and I've made over $2 million in just YouTube ad revenue. Anyways, I know you don't really care, so let's just get started with the video. So first, let's talk about what AI is recommending right now. So according to the research, subscriber count, views, likes, and dislike ratio had zero correlation with AI picking your video to cite. And 40.83% of the videos that AI cited had less than 1,000 videos when they were picked. There was also a completely different half where some of the videos were up to 3 years old. So it's not doing it to just new content. So this means that AI doesn't care if you're popular. It doesn't care what the status of your YouTube channel is. The only thing it cares about is your video being useful so it can cite it to other people. Now, if you're a complete beginner and you have no idea what I'm talking about when I say AI citing your videos, let me show you what that means. Right now, if you Google something, more than half of the time you're going to get something called an AI overview. This is Google giving the direct answer to the person that's searching. Now, at the bottom of each one, Google actually gives the sources of where it got the information for your answer. And yes, a lot of them are YouTube videos. Another example is if you're using ChatGPT or Perplexity and you're asking it a question about how to start a YouTube channel, it's going to do something very similar to Google's AI overview. It's going to give you the answer, and then it's going to link a YouTube channel. So if you make videos on a very popular topic that people could, ask AI about or Google, your chances of getting cited are really, really high. And the best part is that you can optimize this, right? You can set up your videos and create them in a certain way to have AI recommend it. Now, it's very important that I mention that the AI is not the YouTube algorithm. Not what we're talking about in this video. But what this means is that if you're a small YouTuber, if you're struggling to get views, if you're struggling to get subscribers, if you're struggling to get exposure, this could be your shot. And again, nobody's talking about this because it literally just happened less than 48 hours ago. But okay, let's get started. What does AI want? What do you have to do in order to have AI cite your videos? Well, #1 is the length of your video. Over 94% of YouTube videos that were cited by AI were long-form videos. YouTube Shorts, on the other hand, made up only 5%. But the sweet spot and what you want to do is create 10-minute videos to 20-minute videos, because 10 to 20-minute long videos made up about a third of all AI cited videos. Now, if you make long-form videos already, this should be easy to do. But moving on to #2, and that's chapters. Right now, only 31% of YouTube videos that are being cited by AI have chapter markers in their video's description. Now, 31% isn't a crazy amount, but 78% of YouTube videos that had chapters in the description got cited more than once. Meaning, if you have 5 chapters in your YouTube video, you are 78% more likely to get cited by AI for 5 different questions. And that's because AI is treating every chapter in a video as its own mini article. So one of your YouTube videos with 5 chapters is like 5 different videos for the AI. So to make this easier for you, on the screen you're going to see a prompt. Go ahead and screenshot this. You're going to give this to Claude, ChatGPT, whatever it is that you use. And at the bottom where it says, here is the transcript, you're going to paste the entire transcript of your video. Now, if you have podcasts or you don't have a script written down, you just kind of freestyle when you record, the easiest thing to do is to upload your video to your Google Drive, wait for it to process, and just do the following. You can go ahead and click on it. On the far right, you're going to see a little Gemini icon appear. You're going to click on Ask Gemini. And then you're just gonna type in, give me the subtitles to this video with accurate timestamps. And from here, Gemini is going to give me the full detailed script of my video with timestamps. I would just copy paste everything it gives me and again feed it to Claude, Gemini, or whatever it is that you use. So you would just grab that and paste it in the description of your video. Moving on to number 3, and that is the description of your video. Now before, descriptions didn't really matter much. But in the era of AI, every single YouTube video that you post from here on out needs to have a very detailed description. Now, data showed that cited videos averaged over 500 words in the description. Now, the rule is, and what you want to do is have the topic of your video in the description, but you separate it section by section. So every important brand name that you talk about in the video, the full name of whoever it is that you're talking about, if it's a public figure, the exact location of a place if you mention it, and if you're talking about a specific concept, you want to mention it by name. Now remember, nobody really reads descriptions, and I mean nowadays you're not really writing a description for the viewer, you're writing it for AI. Now, I already went ahead and did this for you. On the screen, you're gonna see another prompt. Go ahead and screenshot this as well. Same thing as last time. At the bottom, you're just going to paste the transcript of your video, and it should give you a fully optimized description. You're welcome. Now, before I move on to the last one, if you're enjoying this video, if you find this video helpful, then you might find my private Skool community even more helpful. And that's because in my Skool community, you're gonna find over 150 video tutorials where I show you my exact blueprint on how I made $2 million with faceless YouTube channels. Not only that, but I also show you cool AI tools. I show you how to create thumbnails. I show you how to optimize your videos. I show you how to edit videos from scratch. And I update the videos every single month. And of course, you're gonna find way more advanced tutorials. You're gonna learn things that you're not gonna learn anywhere else. But the best part is that I go live every single week. And this is where I speak with you guys directly, answer any questions, review your channels, all that good stuff. I guess you can see why it's one of the biggest communities for YouTube on Skool. And just to show you some proof of that, I'm gonna show you the wins. Riley here on April 1st posted that he made $30,000 in his first month of monetization. DH here was monetized with just 7 videos in 10 days, which is pretty crazy. King Jaden here said never give up, shared a screenshot where he made over $1,000 in the last 28 days with just 313,000 views. Alejandro shared this screenshot where it shows $3,858 in the last 90 days. Bruno here shared how he made $70,000 in just 3 months of being in the community, and he shared this screenshot. He's actually from Brazil. Scott here, in his first month monetized, he made $5,032. Calvin Yang here made $5,000 in just 7 days with 1.1 million views. And Isaac Ojo made $12,000 in just 2 months. He shared the screenshot as well. There's a bunch. I could keep going all day, but there is a bunch of wins. There's actually 704 wins posted in the community. Here's another quick one by Job Franco, $5,931 with 1.3 million views in just 28 days. If you want to check it out, you can go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's move on with the video. Number 4, the final thing you have to do with your videos is focus on the transcript. Now, YouTube auto-generates the transcript of your video, meaning that for viewers, if they click the closed caption, you're gonna see your video automatically has subtitles. Now, the bad news is that YouTube's automatic caption maker is terrible. It's really bad. It misspells a lot of things. So instead of leaving that up to YouTube, you can go and manually add the transcript yourself. So to do it, you're gonna click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you're gonna click on YouTube Studio. From here, you're gonna go to Content, and then you're just gonna click on Details, or the little pencil icon there for whatever video it is that you wanna post. Now from here, you wanna go to the left side and click on Subtitles. If it's your first time doing it, you're gonna see this. Go ahead and select the language of your video, which in this case, it's English, or actually now it's Spanish, and then click Confirm. Now from here, you're gonna see these 2 options. You're gonna hover over this little center line until you see the little pencil icon. You're gonna click where it says Add. Then you're gonna click on Auto Sync, and you're gonna paste the entire script of your video here. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the top right and click on Publish. Now, of course, saying that your transcript that you're pasting is 100% correct, YouTube is going to automatically sync it with the voice and the audio of the video. So that minimizes the chances of error. So yeah, that should do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, left a like on the video, and of course, if you're someone that wants to take YouTube serious, the link is going to be in the description and in the pinned comment for my Skool community. And yeah, that's pretty much it.